FS Airware Cloud. In a world where global organizations continue to drive digital transformation, there is only one thing you can be sure of: nothing can stop change. Today's new reality is the rapid increase in the number of terminals and the trend of cloud-based network management. Changes happen in an instant, and you've got to be prepared for anything. The cloud management network relies on big data, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, etc. Through it all, you've got to deliver consistent IT services across any office, chain store, campus, and branch. How can you get the flexibility and visibility you need to run your business anywhere without compromising security and consistency? FS Airware brings you a new experience. It provides full lifecycle services for network management from pre-project to project maintenance, including site survey, solution confirmation, deployment, acceptance, and maintenance. Realize the integrated management and control of FS switches, wireless access points, controllers, and gateways. With FS Airware, you can have consistent operations, visibility, and control of your devices. There is no need to navigate the multiple dashboards, which helps simplify operations and maintenance, saving your team days or weeks in configuration. Let's take a look at how it's done. You can log in through your FS account. First, choose the region where the cloud management software is deployed: the United States, Europe, or Singapore. Then, you will enter the project management interface, where you can create and manage your projects. At the pre-project stage, Site Survey guides you to find suitable solutions. Begin by simply uploading your floor plan, adjusting the scale of your space to ensure accurate measurement of cabling and coverage. And then, you can begin selecting your FS devices from the multiple different categories and placing them in their ideal locations. Start simulation. Through a signal simulation heat map, you can check the signal coverage and confirm whether it meets your needs. It also supports one-click export of reports to view more detailed analysis. Return to the project management and click to enter the project. From home, you can see the network status of the entire project, such as device online status, alarms, device terminals, network traffic, and other basic information. If you're ready to start using Airware, go to My Network. In Overview, you can select or add a site and see details such as online terminals, alarms, and related wireless indicators. In addition, it also provides quick access to STA experience, network configuration, etc. Network Config can deliver network configuration, perform wireless configuration, and CLI command on the device. Device can present basic information of network devices. Click Topology. You can visually see the network topology of the current site. Optimization supports automatically planning your cloud AP channel and power. Network optimization with one click and maximizes the wireless performance of the device. Do you want to know the user's online experience? STA Insight can monitor terminal data in real time. In a connected world, security is more important than ever, and we've built a deny list, allow list to provide access management for terminal access. At the same time, FS Airware supports an email alarm in time and pushes it to you as soon as possible when the device falls or goes offline. FS Airware supports the unified management of multiple branches and enables personalized organizational planning. In management and maintenance, branches at all levels can be added to the organization tree, supporting multi-level addition with a maximum of 11 levels. With FS Airware, you can upgrade the software version of your network device in just 2 steps. Step 1. Upload the software version of the device to Airware. Step 2. Click Upgrade. click Intelligent Analysis to enter the overall network status viewing panel. You can intuitively judge the health of the current network through the radar chart. Network Optimizations provides you with automatic network optimization in 7 scenarios, and it supports generating and exporting inspection reports of project network conditions. If you run into any questions as you are working in FS Airware, visit the Help Center where you'll find operation guide, troubleshooting, videos, and more. Of course, if you need to get in touch with us or open a support case, those options are also available to you. Now that you know how to navigate the FS Airware interface to set up your account, manage your device, and find help through support, it's time to start your FS Airware journey.